Good evening, students. Today we will discuss about math class. In Java, math is a predefined class in java.lang package. It is used for various mathematical calculation. Some important functions of math class is here. One by one we will discuss the use and we will see the example. Like first function in math class is sqrt. sqrt is used to find the square root of any number. For example, if we write math dot sqrt, suppose 9, answer will be 3.0. Return type of sqrt function is double, so answer will be in point. Okay, so math dot sqrt 9, answer is 3.0. cbrt function is used to find the cube root of a number. Return type of cbrt function is also double. Suppose math dot cbrt 64, answer is 4.0. Power function is used to find the power value of given base and exponent. This function needs two arguments, like math dot power 2, 3. That means 2 is to power 3. So answer is 8.0. Return type is double. Ceil and floor. Ceil function is used to find the rounded up and floor is used to find the rounded down. Rounded up means nearest whole number on the number line, and rounded down means nearest whole number on the left side on the number line. See this example. Suppose this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is -1, -2. Ceil means if any number you are finding ceil, so it will give the rounded up. This is for ceil, and this is rounded down for floor. Let us take example. If we write math dot ceil 1.7, the answer is 2.0 because the rounded up of 1.7 will be 2.0. Now if we take the example of negative number, math dot ceil -1.7. -1.7 is somewhere here, rounded up. That means -1.0. So this is ceil function for rounded up. Floor is for rounded down. Suppose math dot floor 1.7. Answer is 1.0 because 1.7 rounded down 1.0, and math dot floor -1.7. The answer is -2.0. So return type of ceil and floor is also double. Now the next function is rint. Rint function works according to the value which is before decimal point is even or odd, according to that. If the value that is before decimal point is even, then if after decimal point the value is greater than 0.5, then it will go to the next number. But if the number before decimal point is odd, then either it is greater or equal to 0.5, then it will convert into next number. See this example, like math dot rint 3.5. The answer is 4.0. The number which is before decimal point is odd, and the number after decimal point is 0 is 0.5 or more than 0.5, so converted to the next number. Now math dot rint 4.5. Here also answer is 4.0. Why? Because 4 is even number, so when it is even number, after decimal point when the value is only more than 0.5, then it is converted to the next number. Another example, math dot rint 4.53. Now the answer is 5.0 because the value after decimal point is more than 0.5 and the number before decimal point is even. So now it will be converted to the next number. So here also return type is double. Now the next function round. Here return type is int. Round function return type is int, and here the answer is determined according to the positive or negative value. If the value is positive, then if either it is greater or equal to 0.5, it is converted to the next number. When the number is negative, in that case it should be greater than 0.5. Like math dot round 3.5. Only 4. Return type is int. 3.5 is a positive number. So if it is greater than or equal to 0.5, next number. Okay. Now another example. Math dot round minus 3.5. Answer is minus 3, right? Because if the number is negative, after decimal point, when the value is more than 0.5, then only it is converted to the next number. Now another example, math dot round minus 3.56. Now the answer is minus 4, because this value is more than 0.5, so it is converted to the next number. So here return type of round is int. Next function, max. Return type may be int or double depending on the argument. Like if we use math dot max, suppose 6, 9, it gives the maximum of two numbers. So 6 and 9, the maximum is 9. Here you can see the return argument is int, so that's why the return type is also int. But if you use math dot max, suppose 6.3, 9, then answer will be 9.0, because one argument is int and one is double, so final answer will be in the double type. Now min function is used to find the minimum value, and here also return type depends on the argument, that may be int or double. Math dot min 6, 9, answer is 6. Return type is int here because both the arguments are int. And if we write math dot min 6, 9.5, the answer is 6.0, because one is double, one is int, so return type is double. Now abs function is used to return the absolute value. Absolute value means a value without any sign. That means if we write math dot abs minus 7, answer is 7. Here also return type may be int or double depending on the argument. Minus 7, 7. But if we write math dot abs minus 7.3, so answer is 7.3. Only it will remove the sign. Okay? Return type may be int or double. And the last function is random. Random function does not take any argument and it returns a random value between 0 and 1. Random value between 0 and 1 means a number which you cannot guess. Like for all other functions, you can guess the output. But when you will use math.random, you cannot guess exact output. But one thing is sure, the number will be more than 0 and it will be less than 1. That means it will be in point. Maybe the answer is 0.6925 or maybe the number is 9258. All the numbers are more than 0 and less than 1. But exactly we cannot guess the output of random function. Return type is double. So here I hope these functions are clear. If you like, please subscribe.